Hello, it's Hanny. I'm making some more booklets from all kinds of scraps or scraps well, from tea-dyed papers. Leftovers, and well, I made another kind of booklet. This one. It's a little booklet, very simple, and I show you how I made that one. Again, it's very easy. I just take a bunch of scraps and I line them up, and I do 4 or 5 pages, something like that. Doesn't matter. I'm not making them too thick. Well, and then I take the outside, and what I'm doing is I'm laying it this way. Not to the end, but like so. Then I'm taking my stapler. Where are you? An ordinary stapler. This end I put till the end, like so. Staple it in, and with a hammer I just... Then I fold it on the staple, how do you call that thing? Like this. Then I fold this end like so. Yeah. Line it up correctly. Then I'm taking my thingy and I'm going to cut it there, line it up like this, and I'm going 1 millimeter. This is exactly on the line. You can't see it. This is exactly on the line, but I'm just 1 millimeter more that way, and then I do it like so. Now I have this. Then I'm cutting a little piece off, just a millimeter, and I cut 2 little squares from the edges. Yeah, then I'm folding it this way and this way. With a pencil I mark the corners like so. I mark the corners here and here. Then I'm taking my knife and a ruler and just do it that way from point to point. And just erasing the lines or the dots I made and then I fold it like so, and this is fitting in there. And now I have a little booklet that closes, you see, like this. And of course you can decorate it. Well, I have a few scraps more. These are really leftovers, little scraps, and it's easy to make a little booklet. These are very little. Well, I can use those two, I guess. Just looking for a piece of, I don't know, what I can use for the outside, for the cover. These are a bit too big. Could use this one. No. Well, I have here a piece. Can do it like so. I just will cut a piece off. It's easier. And I'll make another one, just like this. Like so. Fold it. Fold this and I will draw a line now so you can see it more clearer. Well, I'm not cutting on the line, but a bit like millimeter off grid. So I'm going up there. I thought I will do it in the middle, but that doesn't work. Like so. And I do it once more. Cut a little piece off. Well, I don't think it's necessary, a little piece. Just a millimeter. Then cut up two little squares. Just eyeball it. Oh. Like this. Then I mark it on the little flap here and here. Take my ruler and the knife like so. Erase the little dots. And now it should fit. Like so. Okay. And now of course you can decorate it again. I can do one with what? Well, I have snippets. I did that the last time. I decorated with a snippet. Maybe I can do it this way now. Oh, it's a bit too wide, so that doesn't work. Maybe I can do a stamp, folks, postage stamp I made, or a real stamp. I did that the last time. I could use a piece of lace. Would like that too. All kinds of lace. Could do that with a flower or something. Well, there are lots of possibilities. I have little snippets. Where do I have them? I just have to. Oh, here I have a few snippets I made. No, not snippets, clusters. Little clusters. Just little pieces of scraps stapled together. Can glue it on there. And put something nice on top. I will flatten it a bit, like so. Glue it on. Like so, and now I can put something on the staple if I want to. I could do a piece of lace, I could do a button, a little butterfly, a tiny flower. I will look one moment. I have to grab some. My little flower box. Don't know if I have little flowers. This one could do. Well, it's going to be bulky then. Maybe I do a paper flower or a little image. A tiny little ticket. Yes, I like that. That's a tiny ticket. I will glue that on. Like so. Just put my finger on it, squeeze it a bit, so it's going to be flat. Oh, you see the staple through it? Well, I don't care. Well, that's a little booklet too. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.